So this is another parable from the Lotus Sutra called the Simile of Herbs. And this is connected to how we are all individual human beings with many races, cultures, ethnicity, languages, religion systems, and just how different we are individually, and that how the Buddha, the Lord Buddha, Shakyamuni Lord Buddha teaches everyone according to their individual nature. So that's what the parable of the herbs, or the simile of the herb, captures. So let's have a look here. Simile of the herbs. Kashyapyan, know this. Supposed a large cloud rose in the sky and covered everything on the earth. The cloud was so merciful that it was about to send rainfall. Lightning flashed and thunder crashed in the distance, causing people to rejoice. The cloud covered the sun and cooled the earth. It hung down as low as if we could reach it. Now the rain came down to all the quarters of the earth. The rainwater was immeasurable. It soaked all the earth. There were many plants in the retired and quiet places of the mountains, rivers, and ravines. There were herbs, cereal plants, young rice plants, vegetables, sugar canes, and other grasses, fruit trees, including vines and other trees, tall and short. They were sufficiently watered by the rain, so were the herbs and the tree grew thick by the rain. The grasses and trees in thickets and forests were watered variously according to their species by the rainwater of the same taste coming down from the cloud. All the trees grew differently according to their species. They became superior or middle or inferior, or tall or short trees. The roots, trunks, branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits of the various trees were given a fine and glossy luster by the same rain. Although watered by the same rain, some of them were tall while others were not, because they were different in their entities, appearances, and nature. I am like the cloud. I appeared in this world just as a large cloud covered everything on this earth. So obviously over here it says they were all watered by the same rain, but they were all different in their appearance, nature. They were different entities. Some were tall, some were short. And they were just like different types of roots and trunks and branches and leaves, flowers, fruits, various trees. Superior, middle, inferior. So everyone was fed by the same rain, and everyone grew according to their own nature.